Are you shy, and do you hate talking to people? Do people think you are boring and uninteresting? If you answered yes, then this video is for you. Being charismatic can be learned. In this video, I will show you the same techniques that charismatic people use to become more charismatic yourself. How would you describe charisma? Charisma is defined as the ability to influence other people. In today's society, where social media plays such a significant role in our lives, connecting with people is essential. Charisma has always been important in human history, dating back to ancient times. Being charismatic means having the ability to attract people and inspire them to follow you. It's often seen as a natural quality, but there are ways to be more charismatic. Being more charismatic can make you more successful and have better social lives. Here are 10 tips to be more charismatic. 1. Be passionate about what you do. When you're passionate about something, others will become interested in you. They'll want to know what you think, how you feel, and your perspective on life. Being passionate makes you interesting and memorable. 2. Smile. Smiling is contagious. People love to smile when they meet someone new. It makes them feel good. If you want to be more charismatic, practice smiling every day. Smiling makes you appear friendly and likable. People like to interact with smiling faces. So when you smile at someone, they tend to return the favor. 3. Use humor. Laughter is contagious and it breaks down barriers. It opens up communication between two parties. If you find yourself stuck in a conversation, try making a joke. Be playful, make jokes, and be quick with a quip. Humor shows that you care and are willing to engage with others. 4. Speak slowly. Speaking too fast comes off as nervous and anxious. On the contrary, speaking slowly conveys confidence and ease. You should speak clearly without rushing through your words. Slow down and use simple sentences. This helps you sound more intelligent and knowledgeable. Speaking slowly will also allow other people to understand you and respond accordingly. 5. Listen carefully. Pay attention to what other people say. This allows you to show interest in their opinions and ideas. You demonstrate that you respect other people and value their input by listening. Listening encourages people to open up to you and share their thoughts. This leads to trust and rapport building. 6. Have strong eye contact. Eye contact is an excellent way of showing interest in another person. Make sure to look into their eyes while talking to them. Avoid looking away frequently. Maintain eye contact for around 10 seconds before shifting your gaze elsewhere. 7. Stand straight. Staring at the floor or leaning forward makes you seem unconfident and weak. Instead, stand tall and upright. Lean slightly forward so you don't come across as aggressive. Leaning back communicates insecurity and laziness. 8. Look confident. Confidence is attractive. The way you carry yourself reflects upon your personality. To project confidence, stand tall and straight. Keep your shoulders back and head held high. Hold your chin up and avoid fidgeting. 9. Don't touch your face. Touching your face is a sign of weakness. It shows that you lack self-confidence. Also, touching your face indicates that you're insecure. It shows that you're uncomfortable with yourself and others. 10. Dress appropriately. Dressing inappropriately can send the wrong message. For example, if you wear shorts during winter, you should probably cover your legs. Inappropriate clothing sends a wrong signal about who you are and how you present yourself. In conclusion, being charismatic is about being genuine and authentic. It's about being interested in others and making them feel important. If you can cultivate these qualities, you will be well on your way to becoming a charismatic person. If you enjoy watching this video, please support my channel by clicking on the like and subscribe button. Also, please consider watching my other videos to learn more about how you can improve yourself each day.